Hey, long intros are a bear, so we're going to keep this one short. Abom79, you know him, Adam Booth. He's on YouTube and on Instagram, an incredibly talented machinist. I wish I had about this much of his skill set. He has asked me to make him a leather machinist apron that's got specific pockets for specific things in specific places, so we can have access to measuring devices, scales, rulers, that kind of thing as he's working, and to keep chips off of him, etc. We met together at a number of years ago at the Go to the Land Fest. Thanks, Justin. And this past one, we talked about being able to get together and make a specific custom bespoke apron for his talented work. So let's do it.
කුමරියක පාසලම සැලුණා වසා සිටි නෙතුපියන් ඇරුණා කුමර බඹසර අසපුරේමා සමවැදී උන් දැන් බිඳුණා කුමරියක පාසලම සැලුණා.
So I keep going back and forth on this, but I think I've settled it. I can do a 3/8 hem, which basically means you fold this thing over and stitch it there. It would look really nice, but the problem with that is that it would make it stiff this way. And I don't want that. I want the idea here to be comfort. And so even though I like the look of it having a stitched hemmed edge, I think I'm going to leave the edge plain. That's going to give this thing more comfort and more, for lack of a better word, movability.
උකුල ලැමහස මලවි කරලිය මුවාකල හැගේ තුගුල් සලුතිර විවර කෙරුවා මනස් සලෙලුම් උමතු දෙනුවන් රැහැන් ඇද මා අභියස මැවුණු තුසිතය සුරන් මැලවූ සුයාමය කුමරියක පාසලම සැලුණා. නිසල ජීවන තපුවන මැද හැඟුම් ගජසෙන් යදම් බිඳ වැද තලාසිඳ කම්පනය කරවයි ලපලු තුරුවැල් කැකුළු මල් පෙති මා හඬවයි බිඳුණු තුසිතය සුරන් මැලවූ සුයාමය කුමරියක පාසලම සැලුණා වසා සිටි නෙතුපියන් ඇරුණා කුමර බඹසර අසපුරේමා සමවැදී උන් දැන් බිඳුණා කුමරියක පාසලම සැලුණා.
It's always good to check a sample on a scrap piece of leather to make sure that both your top and bottom stitch looks good, and this does.
La fidèle lassie, debout dès qu'on lui dit assis, qui me trotte sans cesse dans les basques, où que je sois, quoi que je fasse. Je ne peux pas la laisser chez moi, elle arrache tout, même le bois, elle laisse en lambeaux mon sofa. Lors de mes rendez-vous d'affaires, comme Gaston et de Mesmequet, souvent croque-t-elle les mollets. Mes clients sont des charolais, sur mes contrats je passe le balai. Et tout ça grâce à qui?
All right, what a treat it was to make this for Adam. He's a great dude and an amazing craftsman. If you haven't already checked him out, which you probably have, he is Abom79 on Instagram and YouTube. It was a joy working with him. It's really nice to not only have someone who knows what they're talking about, but somebody who can give some direction and just let the person go for it. And he did that for me. So thanks, Adam, for that. I'm sending along with this shipment a couple patches that he can use his own brass stamp and place it anywhere. I figured that'd be safer than stitching it on and him stamping it and having some kind of problem with the heat stamp or however he's going to do it. It'll be easier to bring it over to the arbor press, pop it down, and glue it on with some contact cement or whatever he likes. Thank you guys. Be sure and click subscribe, please. I have 600 something subscribers, and I would love to make you the next one. Also check me out on Instagram at Nice Custom Goods and Nice Vintage Goods. I've got some old tools and stuff like that for sale. Appreciate it. Love you guys. See ya.
La fidèle lassie, qui m'aime tant que quand je prends 15 jours de congé, c'est le moment qu'elle choisit pour tomber malade. Changement de trip chez le veto, elle rend tout, c'est vraiment pas beau. Session chiffon, fini le vélo. Comme des faïences toute la journée, des fauteuils nous faisons la tournée. Elle a la truffe comme un bolet, il en sort un jus d'œuf mollet. Elle a même chié sur mes billets, comme à mon voyage un pamphlet, mais qui me force à rester ici.